Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Malakas! Happy birthday to you. Okay. Mami, syempre, hindi mo mawawala yung birthday wish ni Mami ngayong 7th birthday ni Michael. Okay, Mami, ano po yung birthday wish nyo?
Okay, birthday wish ko, Jairus, makinig ka. Okay. So, since 7 years old na si Jairus, na una, pinapasalamatan ko Panginoon, at least umabot siya. So, 7 years old na at least healthy, kahit payat po ito, healthy siya. Hindi siya sakitin. Wish ko pa, sana umabot pa siya hanggang debut naman, 21 years. So sana after 21 years, kita-kita-kits ulit tayo, no? Sa debut ni Jairus. And then, continuous good health pa rin, more blessings.